Right, I'll be back. This is still too high. Now it's too low. I don't know. I guess I'll leave it like that. Oh, so I was just about to give up. I was like, nope, I'm gonna have to find a replacement. Looked everywhere in here, and I went to go put my lab coat back on, looking at the floor outside while doing it, just because that's what I do. And what do I see? I saw it outside. Yeah, so we got it. Here it is. So that was a bit of a relief. So let me get that back on before I lose it again. Hi guys, and welcome back. Hello. Hello, Geir. Hello, how are you, mate? And let me get this back on. Here it is. Oh, we're back. Found it. Little shit. P55, IP55 118H. And it was that way around, I believe. Oh, let me get that back on. Ignore all the hairs. That's part of it. Whoops. Don't blow. What's that? What the? These got to go in the bin now. Look, the tips broke. The end. Oh, it's just the hair. Okay, I believe that's done. Right, what did I miss? Don't blow it away now. I know, right? That was so frustrating me looking for that. Can't believe I actually found it outside. Or for the old IT guys, Elio. Okay, I don't understand that. Gear. New video, new stream. Yeah, new. Thank you. Yeah, don't worry about the like inside of it. Right, after this don't work. Then I don't know what else it could be. You're lucky because that chip needs to be programmed. No way. Whoa. That's mental. Okay, well I am lucky then. Woohoo. It just looks odd, doesn't it? Like, under there looks liquid damaged. See that dark patch? I've had that before where some of it's been liquid damaged and it ended up not having continuity to where it needs to go. Yeah, I guess I am lucky. Woof. Hello, Veruca. No, not as in the foot Veruca, is it? And hello, how are you? Is it an MCU? Yeah, it has an MCU inbuilt with the ROMs. That was lucky then. Well, let me see if we get in continuity from there to here. Yeah, we still are. Okay, so this dark patch doesn't mean anything. We know this reaches there. Same with that one. This resistor, although it does look pretty bad, I mean, what I can do next is put it in the ultrasonic cleaner. Let's see if anything's short. Resistors won't be short, I wouldn't have thought. The capacitor's fine. This is fine, but does it read anything? Nah, it won't do because it's a capacitor. There's not really much else to go by this board. This wouldn't be short, would it? It's not a short because it's not drawing excessive current. We've got a few diodes I guess I could test. which is fine. That's just flux. Don't know what this is. Looks like a diode. There's no liquid damage on this side. But the main damage was this side. Just wish I know what this was. What is this reading? Do we get continuity? No, we don't. But what are we reading in ohms? Let's have a look. Sorry, it's all sticking to my finger. So I think that's probably going to that pin there. Oh no, that's the wrong one. This one. We're reading 90 kiloohms. Ah, that's 100k, I think. It's still reading absolutely fine. 93.7. So, although it looks terrible, let me plug it back in after cleaning up that IC, but we'll see. Hi, I'm shy. No, don't be shy. You just sit back, relax, and yeah, we're very welcoming here, and good community. It's fine. You could be shy. Just take your time. I was shy when I first started this. Christ, I would never speak to anyone online. I was so scared to. I thought it was a vicious place, but this community is completely different. Yeah, look at all this, because it's liquid damage. It's just eating away at everything. That's just a test point anyway. But it's... Alright, let me try it. Let's see if this has done any different. Made any difference. What? Why is this tab frozen? Has it got flux stuck in it? Probably. Wow, I think it has. There we go. It's freed up now. Okay, let's wire the battery back on. Yes, you're good. I'm glad you're okay. Zoom out. That'll do. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Starting from, oh, I'm gonna have to chuck these tweezers. It's a shame. I should have more coming today anyway. Starting from VBAT, voltage battery. Let's go for the temperature sensor type, current type thingy. This is so hard to hold. Oh, damn it. Shut up, Joe. And then the red black one. I know it's not beautiful, but it's stuck. It's fine. Right, we've got flashing at the case again. Pressing the button. No, not doing anything. Oh, it did then. swear that's just telling me what charge the case is. Yeah, I swear that just tells me what charge the case is. Let's try it again. See if we can get it to sync. Pair new device. Is it going to pick anything up there? That won't be it. I don't know what the name would be. Maybe if I close it and reopen it so it flashes. Is it going to flash? No, now I can't get it to flash. Okay, it's flashing now. Nope, now it stopped flashing. Flash! Flash for me. I'll just hold it down for ages, see what happens. Closing the case and then see if it'll pair while it's closed. That seems a bit... Oh, right, and then pressing the button while it's closed. Yeah. Good shout. Okay. Press and holding the button. Well, don't know why it's flashing. I want to know what that means. And it flashes while the case is shut. Even that button's not doing anything while it's shut. Won't be that, will it? Leviathan. If it is, that's weird because I don't know what that is. Alright, well, I think I'm going to have to come back to this one. Do some more tests. Let me see if it is that. I doubt it. No, because it didn't connect to it. Turn it off and back on again. Wish I knew how to. Nah, I won't connect to that one. Okay. I'm gonna have to come back to that. I don't understand why it's not resetting. I'll come back. I've got to move on. It's got H1 chipping or H2 chip. It could auto connect when opening up the case to next to an iPhone. Throw it in the trash bin. Hello, Tango. Yeah, nobody has an iPhone that I know of. Everyone's got Android, so it's a bit weird. Anyway, I'll move over for that. My daughter's got one, and I'll see her tonight, so I'll ask her. Projector. Is it projector? Projecto? Projector. There you go. We're going back to this thing. The reason being is I've got all my caps now to do the recap. But yeah, I'll definitely try that later on my daughter's phone. So, where is... Let's have a look at these capacitors. This is directly from DigiKey. Bloody expensive for shipping, but at least it's genuine. Power to the people, never iPhone it. No, exactly, yeah. Right, that's my little invoice. Alright, good. That's all my stuff. So we have got this is the beefy, this looks smaller, 450 volts, 100 UF. I hope it doesn't come pre-charged. So there's that big cap. Then I should have 6 of these ones, which are 1000 UF, 16 volts. Then I've got, what's this one? 10 UF at 63 volts. What a weird one that one was, but I got it. And then this should be another similar one. 47 UF at 50 volts. 16 volt, 2200 UF. And a 100 UF 50 volt. Cool. I thought I'd literally recap all of them. Anyone tried an online phone? What's an online phone? Sorry. An online phone? Sent from my iPhone. Right, here we go. Oh, again, you won't really see much until I take it apart. Come on, come out, screw. There it is. Got it. And then the other screws are down here, but you can't see. Oh. There you go. Now I can Android with options to unlock bootloader for the win. Yeah. Why did you only get what you needed? I'm just curious. Because I couldn't find another kit. If there was a kit with everything, I'd definitely buy it. But they don't make it kind of easy for you. Yeah, shipping was £18. So it was like 25 quid, nearly £25 just for a few capacitors. Gutted. I don't know where this one went, so I just put it in there. Oh, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Doesn't matter anyway, you can't really see much. Just these two I need to take off now. Just this one? Yeah. Let's do it by hand. Yeah, I'm recapping it, and hopefully that'll fix everything. And not blow my house again. DigiKey, you need to spend £100 plus time to make it really worth it. Yeah. Yeah, you do. But everyone keeps saying, oh, buy them from DigiKey or RS Components or whatever it is. I think I've got to unscrew this one. Cool. And then this one down here. Yo, Chris610, hello. Is this a projector? Yes, it is. Or Mouser, that's it. Mouser, yeah, I forgot about that. But they're both the not RS Components. Sorry, what was it? DigiKey and Mouser are pretty much similar in regards to shipping. Oh, it's still attached to the ballast. See, I don't know where that went from. Still, neither. There's a screw in that plastic clippy thing. I don't know where it came from. It just fell out on me one time, and I was like, oh, where did that come from? Okay, so this is the main thing that we need to do. These ones? No, I don't need to undo them. It's just that one and these two. Hi Wonder Boy. Hello Undergrow. RS is so overpriced. Ah, see. Both US based, so cheap for us. Oh, is it? Yeah, that's probably why then. Right, that's the ballast. Let's put that over there. See? Why is that so different? Why is this so different? 450 volts, 100 UF. 450 volts, 100 UF. That's not going to fit in that, is it? So why is that so much bigger? That's 105C. This is 105C as well. Does that matter? Nothing went pop. It only works if you heat up the capacitors. So I'm going to do a recap on it. Doesn't matter. That's what, look at the size difference. Okay. It's still the same rating and everything, so... Oh, things did go pop actually. It's because I accidentally was shorting something while I was testing it. The whole house went pop. It works. It's just... it doesn't. It doesn't work properly. The light's not lighting up. It's got a new bulb. New lamp. And it only turns on when you warm up the board. Or around this area. So I guess first I'm going to get this huge capacitor off. Hopefully they're in line, which it is in line. Good. Check to see if Andy was on. DU. What does DU mean? Duh. It will still work if the legs do. Do? Still work if the legs do. Okay, so I'll try and zoom out a bit. These are the capacitor legs. I swear I've had this off before, so it should be easy to take off. Dave's Unbranded. Oh, I checked to see if Andy was on Dave's Unbranded. Oh, I got you. No ponies here. What, Charles? What? The main caps rarely fails, mate. It's probably the output caps. But like I said, I'm replacing all the caps anyway, so. Look at that. Whee! Can I push it through? No, I'll have to pull it. Whatever. Now you can't see. Saying that though, I was getting unstable voltage on the where this comes from, so it's coming, don't worry guys. There we go. Almost there. Come on. What the hell? There we go. It's out. Where's the holes? There's one hole. And that's two holes. Fair play. What's fair play? I was replying to Dave. Oh, okay, sorry. That's what she said. Have you checked the ESR on them? Yes, Stuart. Yo, hello, Pab. It all reads fine. I'll even show you now, look. Alright. But why would it only turn on when you heat it up? So this might not work. I might need my clips. I'll test them as I pull them out. See which one is the bad one. Ready? $90 UF when this is 100 UF. ESR is 0.94. Voltage loss is barely nothing. I've tested a few, but I'm changing them anyway. I'll test the new ones to make sure they're good. That says 85 UF, so it's even worse. Now I know there's nothing wrong with that cap. Most of these caps say there's nothing wrong with them. So why is it when I heat it up, they start working? Still going to replace it anyway. Got some solder in there. I don't know if it'll push through. Oh yeah, it would. We're going to push through. Nah, I'm going to have to clear the solder. Check the small ones. Well, let me change this big main one anyway. Right, is that going to push through now? Negative on a negative. Okay, we're through there. Quickly solder these back up. Most likely output caps though. Yeah, because it's only the output caps that never got voltages until it warmed up. Where's the holes? I've lost the holes. Oh, they're there. There you go. Come on, that's it. Okay, that's them done. Right, so I'm going to ask you guys which ones do you want me to test next then, okay? So this is the bit that doesn't actually work unless you heat up around this area. You've also got those two that I've ordered. And I've also ordered, I think that's it, a small one. I've already tested the small ones. So that's a small one there. You want me to do that one? If you look at the bottom, you can see I've already tested them. I've already taken them out and tested them. But I'll do it. Nice solder. Thank you, it is. It is nice solder. It's Kester. Why give us the choice there? Alright, I'll do a small one because I'm going to replace it anyway. Right, we'll start off with this green one, okay? This green one. Where's the negative side, just so I don't forget on that side? I think it's marked anyway. Alright, let me pull it out. Okay, that's been pulled out. I'll check the reading on it. Let me just clear the holes. This one's damaged hole anyway. There you go. So this one reads 47 UF 50 volts, okay? I've tested all these. If I could squeeze them in. There you go. So this is a 47 UF and it says 48. ESR is still quite low. So that one's fine. You need to filter out the ripple and get heated. So we'll start with the ones at the output. But these ones. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm going to swap this one out anyway. We could get the... So it's 47 UF. Wouldn't be that one. Yeah, these are the output ones. Is this a 47 UF? 50 volts? No, that's 10. This one's 4750. Here we go. Give it a test before I put it in. Hello, chill and relax. It's okay, I think. Check the one you put onto. Yeah, there you go. 46 when it's a 47 UF. ESR is 0.14. VLOS is 0.7. So this one's a good cap. And negative, it's that way around. Super long legs. That is eating that up. There you go. Okay. Is that done? Yes, I'm using the Hako brush. Show us your shiny tips. I've seen electrolytics fail short circuits, so I always check capacitor and CSR and for shorts, yeah. I will show you my shiny tip. But it's not very shiny now. Clean it. Ready? Ta-da! Nice clean tip. It's going a bit dull already, it's getting oxidized. Keep it like that. Right, so the next one, I'm going to go for this little black one because that's what's next. I know you're saying this, the output is most likely the culprit. Thank you. The tester would show if it's shorted. Yeah. And none of them shorted because it works. There's no shorts on them because this board works. I could get it to work. It's not shorted. Right, the next one is these two. Again, I've already pulled this one out, tested them, but I'm recapping it anyway. Okay, that's out. Quickly clear the holes. Well, one's already cleared. There you go. Protecting my tip, always keep it tinned. And this is a 100 UF 50 volts. ESR meters will test. Yes, I know, but I'm changing them anyway, EDM. I've spent the money. There you go, that's fine. VLOS is 1% though. I don't know if that's a bit high or not. So the output ones help keep a stable voltage. If not, the photocoupler senses and turns off the switching, but it's replaced with all of them. AMD, holy cow. What do you mean AMD? Cool gadget. I mean, yeah, it's alright. Cheap. Right, now this one, what was this one? 50 volts, 100 UF. Is this one? 100 UF, 50 volt. Okay. I'm going to cut this off because it annoys me. It doesn't need to be that long. Okay. Negative is that side. Damn it, I wish I had long legs now. I can't guide them in. Oh no. Why did I cut the legs off? Oh, the hole's not cleared yet, that's why. My bet, my 50k bet at 704. I don't know what you're on about. Oh, you're betting. Yeah, now it's cleared. Where'd it go? There it is. Oh my god. Why is this so hard? Where's my lube? It smells awful as well, doesn't it, Sergi? You put a 220 UF cap with the wrong polarity on 12 volts. Explosion was very loud. Oof. Don't worry, I'm making sure I am putting it in the right polarity. It's even labelled like it's plus and negative down there. So, it's all good. Are you kidding me? Maybe the legs need to be wider. Whoops, that's too wide. Remove this. Why don't I do that first? There you go, first try. Where's the next ones? Oh yeah, there. Well, I've discharged caps using a wire. I mean, not wire, pliers. No, screwdriver. Look at my shiny tip. Oh, I don't even need to cut them down. Yes, I do. I'm looking at the wrong bit. Cool. Working on a Ferguson 1980s TV has bad reefer caps. I don't know what reefer caps are. DZ201, cold solder maybe. DZ101? Wait, which would you say? DZ201. So, what, on this side? Oh, there. I don't know. Looks okay. Okay, so that's all them ones done. Now it's the bigger ones. I know you got this one in the corner, this little blue one. This one is a... can't see what it is. Did I not order that one? I bloody hope I did. 100 UF at 50 volts. A Zener diode, yeah, looks alright to me, yeah. 100 UF, 50 volts. 100 UF, 63. Oh, what? I forgot to order that one. 1000 UF. How did I miss that one? UF. Bugger. I must have missed that one. How, I don't know. I'll take it off and measure it anyway for you guys, just to show you that it's fine. They're all bloody fine. That transistor on the heatsink's probably the answer. Bottom pad on it. Anthony, what? Bottom pad on it. Well, we'll see in a minute. Let me just see, because there's no point diving in too deep until I've done all these to confirm that this isn't the issue. What annoys me is they proper bend the legs around sometimes, so I can't even pull it out. Yeah, this one they've bent the leg round, so I'm gonna have to somehow bend the leg out up. There we go. Okay, let me solder suck that out. Really? Seems alright. So this is 100 UF, 50 volts, I believe it was, wasn't it? 100 UF, 50 volts. If this is the one that's not bloody right, I've just ordered all the wrong caps. There we go. That looks good. Right. Oh, that's not going in now because there's too much solder on the legs. That should be alright. Still not going to go through, you little poo head. Oh yeah, there you go. Now it has. Good. Okay, so now it's this big boy here. This is the 2200 at 16. So I want the 2200, 16. Check in the ERSR. Oh, well, the leg's too tall. Hello, Electro Rep. Well, that's quite low, isn't it? 2050. Supposed to be 2200. It's 150 out. V-loss is quite high too. But the ESR is fine. And let's take this off. That's fine. I know it's fine, but it's not exactly what these original caps say. Carthor. Hi Falcon. Oh, you said hello to you. Sergio, blah blah blah. Lower capacitance have a higher ESR. I mean, more than likely is bridge rectifier, that's the issue. Oh, I think you're talking about something else. Guys, no conversations in my chat, please. There's other rooms for that. Oh wait, I'm taking off the wrong bloody one. I'm taking this one back off again. One idiot. I'm taking that blue one off again. This one is what I wanted to take off. There you go. Holy crap. My silver line's just given up. That pin come right out then. Oh, that's alright now. Jeez. I guess that's a clog. That time I bought a new one, to be honest. Is it alright? No, yeah, it's clogging. No. What's happened? What's happened? My pin's got stuck in it. Oh, I see what's happened. A giant ring around it. Should be alright now. I think my tip's deformed. My tip deformed? Maybe. Might be alright now. Oh god, no! My solder sucker's had it. Silverline that it is. This has lasted me so long. I had it since 2020. I can't remember what it was now. Is it 2022? It's just getting caught in there. Hold on. Try and clear out some tweezers or something. Silverline rip. Aha! It was this. Big chunk of metal in there still. Should be good. It was clogging up the hole. I think this has expanded so much, this tip. I think it's not pushing it out properly. It's very well used. Should be good now. Should be good. Hang on, let's push this up so I can line it up properly. Alright, get that in the hole. There you go. Release it back down. Put the lid on. And screw it. It should be good. There we go. Oh, no. It's still... Oh, I don't believe it. Isn't that bar held inside it? Swollen tip. Isn't that bar held inside it? No. Let me try that. That bar shouldn't be popping out, I don't think. I might have to glue it in. Okay. We're good. Okay, I think it's fine now. Oh, glue. Yeah, I think that bar's not supposed to come out like that. I think it's worn. Anyway, where was I? Well, I've taken that cap off. I checked the ESR. I think I checked it on this one as well. Did I check the old one? The 2200? 16 volts? Oh yeah, I didn't check that, did I? No. Let's check that now. This is the one I've just pulled out. Silverline Revive, exactly. Hello, Rusty Russ. So that's quite low. Is it not? 2200, it's reading less than 2000. VLOS is nearly 2%. So could that potentially be a bad cap? Not way off, but nope, still fine. Damn. So when does it get bad then? Seems bad, but bad enough. No problem. Nope, still fine, no problem. Oh. Mental. Only go by ESR. Really? Not by capacitance? %. Yeah, there is that. Yeah, hello dreams. Okay, the next one would be this brown one, which I believe is probably the same. 1000. No, that's a 1000 UF. Okay, this one's a 1000 UF 16 Vs. Let me change that one, which you can see I've already reflowed them. I know you can't see nothing, and I'm sorry. Just pulling them off. There you go, that's out. Hopefully my silver line still works. Dum dum dum. 20% tolerance. Okay. So 20% of 2200 is, I don't know, 22. Oh, I'm doing the wrong one. Just unsucking what I've just done. Oh wow. Damn it, I'm not quick enough. There you go. Damn it. No. There you go. No, they're not. This has lasted me many years. Many years. It doesn't clog up. I've had one of those silicone tipped ones. And what happened was it just jammed, kept jamming, and eventually it bent the shaft inside. Is this the 1000? Yeah, this is the next one to do. 1000 at 16 volts. Remember, I've got to go at 4, guys, because I've got an MOT. No, it's not. Yeah, that's fine. ESR is really low. Oh, are these all 1600s now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Oh, okay. This is the last lot to do. So these should all be the same. Negative. Sure, I can't bother to keep moving to my microscope. Yeah, silicone ones do clog up, which I don't understand why. Such a clean tip. Okay, next one. There's a lot of solder on that one, but oh well. Is this one here. Again, these are all the same. 1016 volts. I might as well pull them all off at the same time. Just one pulled out. Two pulled out. Three pulled out. Make sure they are all still the same. Yeah. Tell that to the missus. Nothing sucks like a Dilbert. Exactly. That's another one out. And the final one. There you go. That's out. There's a lot of solder on them. Let's check every single one. Hello Gabriel, what's up? It's called maintenance. No cornetto. No, I've not had a cornetto yet. This one's got too much solder on it. Oh, got it. V-Loss is good. V-Loss is good. For God's sake, you guys. Not V-Loss, I mean ESR. ESR's good. Now he's ignoring me. Sorry, Andy. Who's that? Who's ignoring you? I thought you were having a conversation with someone else, Daves. What's happening in the background today? Sounds like construction. Yeah, probably. ESR's good. And the final one. Oh. Hold on, maybe that's not plugged in properly. There, now it's in properly. Yeah, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with these caps.
Gabriel R subscribed to the channel.
Gabriel R. Oh, nice. Another Gabriel. Thank you for subscribing. But I'm in the wrong location. What do you mean? Where are you supposed to be? Where there's construction. Everywhere there's construction. You're confusing me, Daves. Thing is, I've went round every single capacitor before, and I've touched them up. So I thought maybe that was the issue. But we'll see. See what happens. I've got to clear all the holes. Hopefully, your shed. Oh, right. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, it's not my shed. Yeah, I'm in the wrong location for that. Hello. Thank you. Wait, is that need doing? No, not that one. Wow, it's got so much solder in this one. Oops. Whoa! Right, what else is it? Just those two. Yeah, maybe this isn't as good as sucking up as I thought. Why is that one not sucking up? Oh, I use hot air on that one. It's just the one left. There's two actually that I'm struggling with. Oh, hi babes. You okay? What's the time? Nearly 2 o'clock. Because your rod should be attached to a plate. I'll let you know on next stream. I hope your dreams have Andy in them. Alright, okay. Best change caps only have a lifespan 10 to 15 years. Yeah, well, I'm changing them anyway. I think I'm on 350 still. 370. Oh my god, how much does this take? There we go. And then this one. I think that's come through the other side. That's why. Gone through the other side. Yeah, that'll do. That'll be it. No bad caps. Andy, check Discord. General. Best thing to change. Yeah. Oh, there you go. There's my general just gone off from Discord. What's that? Andy, this is what it should look like. Cleaned it for me. What do you mean? Oh, that's the piston thing. Got ya. Got ya. Interesting. That's cool.
Chill and relax, subscribe to the channel.
Are you kidding me? Chill and relax? Only just subscribe, man. That's disgusting. Thank you for subscribing. This board's still pretty hot. It's not a cap. Yeah, I gathered that now, Pabs, but I know it's not. There's something else that needs. Why am I still one short? Oh, it's there. There it is. Oh no, we got clogged. Oh, I didn't clear these two. You burger. You bloody burger. Cool. Right, one of these caps are the wrong way around. What an idiot. What a bloody idiot. That was close, wasn't it? I would have had an explosion. Right, all negatives. Good. Get a small nozzle on the heat gun and blast sections of the board systematically until she fires up. Narrow it down. Yeah, I will do. I tried doing that, but it seemed sporadic. It's like, it was really weird. No matter where I did it. We'll test this first, guys. See if this works. Okay, that's all that done. The subscribe voice reminds me of StarCraft Sarans. Oh, Terrans. No idea what that is. Sorry. But that's cool that it sounds like it and it reminds you of it. No idea what you're charging him, but you can get replacement beats charging. Mark, how far? Bless him. How far is Mark? Pretty cheap anyway. Oh, bless him. Mark is like, I don't know, probably the start of the stream. Thanks, Mark. Sorry, but I thought I did. No, it's fine. It doesn't bother me anyway who subscribed and who isn't. It's all about the interactions. Whoa. That capacitor's not quite to the board enough. It must have slid down. There we go. That's better. Alright, now we'll snip them off again and then I'll test it. Okay, now it's time to see if the board will power up on its own accord this time. It's all got new caps, all in the correct orientations. Yep, and that big one there. Let's give it a go. Running out of space. Let's test it. Yes, let's go bang again. Probably kill my power. Live. Although apparently it doesn't matter which orientation these go in, which I didn't know about that really. Neutral. If I could get it pushed in. Okay, neutral. Now, what we're looking for, I don't know if you guys can really see it, is, nah, you can't. I might have to take this back and off again, or I'll just leave it like that. Yeah, is this green light here flashing? Let me get the kettle lead. Power is off at the minute. Plugging it in. Please don't go bang. Please don't go bang. Hello, Philip. Did you fix the earphone charger? I need to test it on an iPhone apparently, because I don't think that's compatible with Apple. I mean, Android. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh. No, it didn't fix it. Definitely plugged in. You also ordered the bulb? No, they're like £100 bulbs. I'm good. And now if I heat it up, start with 150 degrees, 100% airflow, or 99%. Not coming at all, no. Nope, now it's not coming on at all. Oh, yeah, there you go. Now it just did. Now it's on. So what is it? Is it one of these coils? It's on now. Feels bad, man. Focus on diode or transistor. Okay, well I'm gonna have to wait till that cools back down now, because that's back on. But I want to see if we get stable voltage out of this, because this goes to the lamp, okay, and I think it's supposed to be a stable voltage, but it isn't, not at this stage while it's on. If I go to, I think it's AC you guys said it was. Right, let's see what we're getting without me touching it. Look, it's all over the place. Or is it DC? Oh, it is DC. See, look, it's fluctuating too much. Is that fluctuating too much? 360, 80, 90, 70, 80, 90, 60, 80, 90. Cold solder prob. I'll try go around it every single one then and solder them all down. That's a 3, by the way. Some power supplies need a load to regulate the output. Okay, because this goes into the ballast. Apparently this has got to provide it thousands of volts to the ballast, and then the ballast apparently regulates it back down once it's ignited the lamp. Check the pins on the chips and the SMD components. Yeah. Alright, let me kill the power. Power's drained. It's annoying that the caps didn't fix it. Oh. Okay. Bye, Tracy. I love you forever and always. Oops, I think I might have missed it. Discharge that capacitor. The 400 volts one. Oh, well, this is bloody loose. I'll do. Oh, it's drained anyway. Nothing left in it. Cool. You missed it. Don't worry. Thank you anyway. I'll be seeing her later anyway, after the car's been MOT'd. Or if it passes. should do. I don't drive it much. Whoa. Okay. This is becoming a nightmare. So it's not capacitor related, so maybe I'll concentrate on every single joint. I'll just reflow every single joint. There you go, 5,000 volts spark to ignite, then sits at 100 volts. Thank you, Mark. Thousands of volts, you just summoned. Yeah. Yeah. Does it go off when it cools down? Yes, it does, Philip, yeah. I guess I'm just going to have to go across every single bit. Check part on the heatsink, maybe for cold solder. On the heatsink? I don't see any cold solder joints. I went through it all before. So this is starting from the output. Okay, so it definitely seems like output related. I'm trying to get into focus a bit more. I'm going to have to take my jacket off in a minute, guys. It's bloody hot in here. What is it? 24 degrees. So I think I've done all these anyway. I've already went... What the hell was that? Anyway, don't smoke the joints, reflow them. Very good. Yes. So that's the new... I think I've already reflowed pretty much all this. Or reflowed it. I'll tell you what this reminds me of that sound and light thingy, where that would only work when I heat it up. So I'm not cleaning it up until the end. Okay, well that's it for this side. Well, not this side, but it's part of the board. And you got all this. It won't be across this side. I didn't heat up this part of the board. No, that's fine. That's it. Oh, not seeing anything. Must be the top side. I know. Not really much on the top. start from here. So you've got this little not transistor, it's only got 2 legs. It's diode, I guess. Oh my god, what is going on outside? But it could be like a slightest fracture, right? So I'm not really going to see much by prodding. What's that? Is that normal? D's for diode. What's that? This is a diode, but why has it all got stringy bits coming out of it? I don't know what that is. It's got stringy bits. The diode can't explode like that, can it? Not normal. Seems odd. Can you heat up? Can you heat it up? It works, and put freeze spray on it till it goes off. I don't have freeze spray. It's gone bang. You reckon it has? But why does it still work though? Oh, we'll come back to that. It's just a transformer. Where the hell is that? See, that also looks sus, doesn't it? Check if it's conductive. Some brushes. 2 seconds, got a customer. Hello, Swindon Electronic Repairs. That's right. Yep. Yep. Yeah, which one is it? Is it light, original, or the OLED? Yeah. Yeah. It's £25 for the charge port replacement on that. Yep. Yeah, tomorrow's perfect. Yeah, that's absolutely fine, buddy. Yeah. What's wrong with the other one? Yeah, that might be a little bit more difficult. Oh, bless. Worst case, I have got replacement boards. I've got loads of boards, so I could just swap the board if it is that bad. That would be £40 for the board, for like a, yeah. Yeah, I could do that. Yeah, spending time on it. Yeah, that's what it'd be total. Yeah, yep, definitely. It's usually about a day. So if it's dropped off in the day, it'll be the next day. It should be done by. No. The thing is, I'm good with switches. That's like my best thing. I love repairing, so I'm pretty quick on them. I know what to look for. Gotcha. Wow, really? That's nuts. But yeah, just swing by and drop them. Yeah, just whatever's best for you. Yeah, that's awesome. Alright, cheers, buddy. Appreciate it. Alright, see you later. Bye. Two seconds, guys. Okay. Whew, it's hot. I reckon it's a chip. So not that. Oh, hang on. Hang on a minute. Why is it yellow? That is... Oh, wait, that's got it as well, though. That's normal. Oh, that must be normal, because that one's got it too. I don't know what they are. Alright, so I guess that's normal. Glue, yeah. Stop resonance, got ya. So, do you reckon I should just go around and touching up every single joint at this stage? I reckon that's probably what I should do. Just go around touching up every single joint. It's probably best if I do it out from under the microscope. Or do you want me to heat up a specific spot at a time? Just reflow. Can't hurt. But then I'll have to also try and touch up these chips as well from above. It's definitely something to do with this part. Narrow it down with heat. It could be a component with internal failure. I'll try that first because it's quicker than reflowing. Neutral. Okay. It's time. We'll keep it on time. Okay, here we go. Plugging it in. Here we go. Alright, we're off at the minute. Putting a narrow nozzle on it. This is the narrowest one I've got a more narrow one. Hang on. Here we go. We've got these ones. Go for a super thin. Very thin. Is there a power light on this board? That's what you're looking at. You could do with bench testing it away from the projector. What do you mean? That is the power light, yeah. Right, here we go. I'll turn down the air as well, so that's going to be quite powerful. Okay, that's good. So let me start off with this coil thing here. No, doesn't seem to be the coil. Right. Let's try one of these chips above. Nope, not that one. Let's turn the airflow down a bit more. Now I don't have canned air. Try the chips, yeah. Let's try this chip. Nope, not that chip. This one. If I could get to it without touching. That one came on, but only slightly, just for quick, very briefly. Oh, it's back on again. I don't know if that... It's going dimmer again. What did you heat? It's a chip on this side next to these coils. I wonder if I could cool it down with my air blower. Yeah, I'll try to cool it down with this. Why is it not cooling down? I think I'm just going to have to end up touching everything up. Everything. Dong! It's going to work every time now, isn't it? Hello, Nick. That noise is the patio being swept. I have some weird noises around here. That is getting so hot. You see how shiny my head is? Yeah, typical. It's going to work each time now. I am just going to reflow everything. Literally everything around this area. And if this doesn't work, I am going to have to give up because I honestly don't know what else it could be. Where's the giant cap? There it is. See that little flash there? Oh, you probably didn't. My hand was in the way. Exactly. Bin. So I've changed the caps. There's nothing physically. It's weird when you heat it up, it lights up. This is like that bloody sound and whatever you would call it, sound and light thing. Same thing. But this one's not fully working when it's powered up. The other one was. Okay, I'm going to start from the bottom. I will zoom in a little bit for you guys, but I'm not going to go under the scope because it's too much hassle moving it around. I'm just going to go as narrow as I can there. Intermittent heat related faults are difficult. Solder bridge. Oh right, I see. Yeah. It is, it's annoying. Experience won't help you much there. Is he complaining about I've got no experience again? Is that what you're saying? Right, here we go. Starting from here. Just touch everything up. Oh, solder fume extractor's going on. Responsive personnel. Huh, yeah, alright then. I told him to take him off my list. Do you need to dissipate any caps? No. Right, is he being negative again? Is Solder Bridge being negative again? If so, could you please time him out for the whole stream? Because that's twice now he's done that. There's no need for it. Not in this stream. Thanks, Pico. I've blocked him so he can't see what I'm putting. Thank you very much. Cheers. Because I was sick of seeing the comments, but if he's still doing it, there's no need for it. Alright, where am I? Right, these coils I wanted to do next, because these are big ones. This is going to take blimmin' ages. That's a capacitor, right? No, that's not a capacitor. Just use an ice cube. Yeah, that would go down well, wouldn't it? Right, I think that's everything on that part done. These have already been reflowed by the looks of it. This hasn't. Ice Ice Baby, bang, exactly. Do the top side of the coils too. Oof. I can't get to them though. I can't get to the coils. I will do the chips afterwards, but I can't get to the coils. I'll end up melting it all, trying to get my iron underneath it. Yeah. Right, that's, I believe, everything here. Yeah, these coils. Make sure that flows right the way through. And that coil there. That's everything on this circuit that really needs doing. This hasn't been done. Okay, let me try the top. Let's take that off so I don't melt it. Unplug that cable while you're working on it. Oh, the one I've just taken off? Yes. Might burn away the enamel if you do top. Try refloat an arcade board, bud. It's painful. Oh, really? That many? Ouch. Okay, now I'm going to have to put loads of flux down here. Reason being is I don't want any bridges on these chips, otherwise I'm going to have to take them off. Let's also do these resistors. This chip here, whatever the hell that is. This one, if I could get to it. And this big main one here. Oh, and then these back ones. Okay, so it's not many. Fume extractor needs to go on. Breathing a lot of fumes in. I don't think I did these ones up there. Sorry, are your tips still shiny? Yeah, still shiny. think that's reflowed. It's going to be a pain to clean off. That's all that area reflowed. Oh, I didn't do this top bit though. I'll quickly do that now. Whatever this was. That one you didn't know is an opto isolator. Oh, this one. Thank you. It's good to learn. Opto oscillator. Isolator. Cool. Yes, I do have a clean tip. Missed call, message. Thanks, Andy. Hopefully they do the trick and you can bring it back to life again. What's the... Oh, right, I see what you mean. Yeah. Missed call. Cool. Right, now it's time to test. There's no point in having that plugged in, but I'll do it anyway. Bloody bacon. 25 degrees in here. Live. Neutral. Okay. Scared. Or opt coupler. It's basically a box with an LED in one side and a photo transistor that detects the LED's light output at the other. So it's the high voltage side knows when how much load's on the other. Oh, so I've heard Toltec say a lot about that as well. There's like that on the PS5 power supplies. Put it in an oven for 10 minutes at 210 degrees. I'm good. Okay, let's see it. Please. Please, 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 please. Here we go. No. Came on for a second, then died. Oh, God, that makes me jump every time. It's crackling. There's no bridges or anything. The board might have still been warm when I was putting stuff in. Oh my God, you guys can't see nothing. Hold on, it's not even lighting up now anyway. And I've got to wake my controller up. There you go. Hold on. Does the board need to be cooled down a little bit? Maybe the board's too hot. Hold on, I'll sort out the camera in a second. Yo, Garrett. Hello. There you go. You can see now. Use a bit of IPA to help cool the board down a little bit. Maybe it's just a bit too hot. I don't know. Try heating that heatsink. You reckon what this? You reckon this is sus? Alright, hold on. Trying to make sure it's all dry because I don't want any fires. Okay. Try it again. It lit up for a second and then it just went. Like it just cooled down. Live, what's the time? Okay, and neutral. Come on. Right, that's plugged in. There's no metal anywhere else, is there? No. Right, can you see the LED? Yeah, you can see the LED. Right, there's definitely no shorts anywhere. Nope. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, nothing at the minute. You reckon this? No, that's not doing anything. Not doing anything now. Yep, not even lighting up now. Oh, for fuck God's sake, man. Oh my God, I'm sweating here. I'm gonna have to take this off. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm just using wireless. Exactly, Andy. That's it. Sorry, I'm lolling hard. Oh. Oh. Not funny. Damn it. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What an idiot. It's probably going to start up now because the board's hot. No, still nothing anyway. Definitely plugged in. I should have lit up by now. Where did the doctor go and who's the imposter? Nope, got nothing now. Weird, it lit up for a second, then it just went. Now there's nothing. Hello, Joe. How are you? Voltage DC, we getting anything here? Yeah, we're still getting the voltage here though. But it's just the output side of it again. Unless the LED's just died. And it does work. Dunno, let me try it. We're on DC still. No, it's still dead. What do the black and white wires go? There is no black and white wires. Oh, these, they go into this. This provides like 5 volts, 3.3 and all that good stuff, 12 volts. Wait, it's not powering up at all. It's not now, Garrett, no. Bloody thing. All I did was reflowed in areas with my soldering iron. There's no shorts at the top there, and I wouldn't have shorted anything from the bottom. Let me discharge that capacitor. Alright, that's discharged. I'm gonna have to give up on this one. No, not any chip. He's recapped it. Andy has cap issues. I usually blame them when it's heat related. Yeah, it's been recapped. Are you getting low voltages on the connector? No, Philip, not anymore. I only do get low voltage readings when this green LED comes on. But it's not coming on anymore. It literally... Why would it come on for a split second and then go off and then never come on again? That's the... These are outputs, by the way. It almost had it before when you heated that chip. Nah. I wasn't any closer. Power it off. Plug it in. Yeah, now it's not doing anything. Smoke is coming out. What's that, MOC or an MOV? A movie? Metal over varistor. A thermistor. Heating may not make it come on if there's an MOC there. I think that's what you meant. I would check the input side as well if there's an NTC. Oh, what's with the acronyms, man? Let me discharge it. Okay, that's that. Oh, my love, my darling, do, 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 do. This whole board's warm now. Yeah, the whole board's warm. That should be lighting up. They're usually at the beginning of the circuit. Yeah, but the thing is, this is all fine because I'm getting output here, Garrett. I'm getting 300 odd volts here. For nearly 400 volts. But here... I think I'm going to have to call it on this one. I literally reflowed everything. And if anything, it's made it not come on at all now without heat. NTC and PTC. I missed some of it. On the input circuit, there's variable resistors that change resistance with temperature, varistor type thing. P is positive coefficient, meaning the temp goes up, resistance goes up. Right. See what you mean. Right, that board's all clean this side. Don't worry, power is off. There is like a varistor type thing there, and there is an NTC here. There's an NTC here. I can't even get down there to clean it up properly. So you're missing an output voltages? Yes, I'm missing DC output voltage. Input's fine. It's just here I'm not getting any voltages anymore. And I used to when I'd warm up this area, so I changed the caps. They're all fine. I've touched up every single joint now, top and bottom, and now it's not lighting up at all. And there's no bridges on any of the chips, on the legs. At the bottom here I only just did the joints there, which look bloody awful now. Rectifiers test okay. Do I have what resistance of the NTC? Yeah, but that's fine because it's providing voltage everywhere else. Yeah, Wonderboy, I could see from my eye there is literally no bridges on any of the chips, but yeah, that was the last thing that I did. I'll even check it under the scope if I can. So no bridges. No bridges. Geir, not again. Thank you so much. You don't need to keep doing it, man. Thank you. Appreciate it, Geir. Gave a membership to Joseph, Philip, Pitco, Dan, and Andrew. Nice, thank you. That's so kind of you. Look, you can see there's no bridges. And then I did this opto isolator, wherever it is. Where is it? There it is, down there. No bridges there neither. I missed out again. Make sure you have VCC on the chips. Yeah, I'm probably going to end up shocking myself now if I do this, but I'll give it a go. It's usually pin 1, right, VCC? Oh, it's glowing. It's glowing. Oh, you can't see though. It's on. Very weak, but it's on again. See it? So we're on again. Not always pin 1. Oh, okay. How's the shed coming along? Don't ask. Please. Let it cool some more. Alright, I'll let it cool some more. It's very faint LED, but it was there. It's gone now. You can't see it, but... Okay, so I'll tell you again about the shed. What time is it? 3 o'clock. I've got to go in an hour. They messaged me Saturday saying sorry we can't do Sunday because a job that they're doing had overrun, which is fair enough. So it was on the Monday it was supposed to be. They phoned me last night saying sorry, the job that they were doing is actually to do with the shed. They've ripped the roof off of it and they've discovered that it's rotted completely, so they're going to need an extra day. So they actually rang me this time, so they said they're definitely going to do it Tuesday, so tomorrow hopefully. Blowing out. I've got this thing. I've got this. So there's a hole there. There you go. Oh, the voltage is out. Yes, it is, Philip. Yeah. There we go. I should have cooled it down some. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Oh, it's a very, very dim LED. Extremely dim. Let me measure it. I will check it, Philip. See if there's 12 volts and everything. And it's in DC, I believe. Can you see that? Yeah, just about to see that. .2. Nothing. Nothing. Oh no, it's changed now. The LED's still slightly flickering. Very, very dim. No, it's not the correct voltages. It's supposed to get like 12 volts and everything like that. I'm gonna have to heat it up. It is the most dimmest I've seen it. And it looks like heat's not helping it anymore. Before it was. Now it's not. I cry. Oh, there you go. Now it's fully on. And the last thing that I did heat.
Let us repair. Gaia Anderson, super
God's
chatted
sake.
£14 and 89 pence. Something for you as well. Andy throwing kisses.
I'm not throwing kisses. Thank you, Gail. That's amazing. Thank you. Now stop. I really appreciate it though. Thank you. That's amazing. Are the windings of the transformers okay? Yeah, they look fine. It's proper bright now, look, if we check the voltages. Gail, I don't believe it. We've got 5 volts. 5 volts. It should be ground next, yeah. 3.3. And then it should be 12 volts, right? I know, 5 volts and then 12 volts. No, we seem to be missing 12 volts. 12 volts. Yeah. Ground. 5 volts. Send some kisses back his way. Do I have to? Gayer. Something for me. That other one was for me anyway. Thank you. There you go. Yes, the chip I was heating was this one down here. That one there. What an entrance. Could be that then. Yeah, I'll have a go. But where I've heated up the whole board, until I stopped there, that was the last thing that I heated. I'm going to have to wait till it cools down again. Oh man, this... Is it a failing... Let's see if I get my microscope over to it. Oh, it only just clears the projector. Nah, it won't reach. No, Sergio, that one, I'm still waiting for AliExpress to ship it, which is annoying. For some reason, they've still not shipped it yet. The board for that's up there for the bridge rectifier. This is another board. This is a projector. Andy blesses us with streaming his work. He could get some... Fucking hell, that was a wasp. Oh my god, I haven't seen one of them for ages. So we could get something for it more than just like subs. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you're a legend. Thank you. I guess I'm gonna have to wait for this to cool. God, it makes me jump every time. It crackles. Sorry about the noise. I've got a limiter on it anyway, so it shouldn't really go any louder than what my voice is. Right, is it going to turn on now? Oh, it is. Now it's off again. It did turn on full brightness, yeah. It's an intermittent fault thing. Unless I replace some of the chips. I mean, it's worth trying to get this fixed because he really wants this and they're over £1,000 just for the power supply unit. But I believe because this isn't functioning properly, it's preventing for it to give the correct voltages to the ballast and the arc lamp, whatever it's called. Oh, you want me to discharge the cap? Okay. You think that'll help? Right, the cap's discharged. It only had a little bit of juice left in it. Is it hot? No, it's not even warm anymore. Right, here we go. Trying it again. If I can get it in shot. Right, that's the LED. 3, 2, 1. Bugger. Came straight on. 1k for PSU. Fix. I'm trying to, Grass Puddle. So what's these little potentiometers down here for then? In the blue thing, usually. I've never seen anyone talk about it. It's labelled as a P301. Some adjustment. Yeah, for what though? I wonder if I could adjust that. Or will it just completely mess it up? Might mess it up. I need it to cool down again. Closer shot of it. I mean, it's currently high voltage still. I haven't discharged it. See it there? I don't know if you can see it. That blue and white thing. Well, it's actually silver, but it's adjustable. Output voltage to different DCs. Can we not? Oh, can I not just twist that and give it more output? I don't even know what it's attached to. Can I follow the traces? It goes to capacitor and a transistor, and then I don't know where else that goes. Right, is that cooled down enough? Let's try it. Yes, it's off again. Right, it's not. Oh, it's just come back on. Bugger! Fixed. No. No worries, Pico. Thank you. There's a fucking wasp again. Watch it coming here. No, he's going. They don't come in here anymore. The sun's out today, so that's what's happening. No, I'm not really going to. I'm not going to. I've never touched one. Never will. Try putting it back together. See if it's. Well, obviously it's not fixed, but. Is it that capacitor? Or it could be that octo coupler. I got a message. Okay. No, we love the sweeping. No, we love the sweeping. Oh god, someone's coming in. Alright, here we go. Try it again. Please don't come on. Stay off. It's come on. Urgh. Probably not, Joe, but what would the schematics do? Like, I don't understand what schematics would help me in this, but if I'm missing a component, or if I had a failed component, then yeah. Oh, made me jump. Alright, let me put it back together, just so I can plug the lamp in and that and see. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Drain that cap. Okay, that's drained. So I've got to get ready to go soon. Let me see what those chips were anyway. This is pretty like the last one you had. This is the same one, Undergrow. It's the same one. I ordered new caps for it because I thought it was a capacitor issue where you heat it up. So I ordered new caps and it ended up not being that. Different PSU at least. Why are they so bloody hard to read? There you go. See, are these all the same? They're all different. See, that's the one I last heated. That leg also looks a bit sus there, doesn't it? Why is that leg looking a bit sus? Why does that leg look sus? Feels like it's disconnected now. No, it is connect. Yeah, that is connected. I will go over it again. Try tapping the area when it's on, maybe. Are you mental? Actually, it could be low voltage side, isn't it? Come on, iron. Heat up. Thank you. Okay. What, tapping it with the iron? Yeah, see if it lights up. Yeah, I could do that. Yeah. Now, where the hell's my solder? There it is. Plastic spudger. Plastic tool. Ah, right, okay. I'm not... Did you look that up? It's a PWM chip. No, I didn't look it up. I've just seen what it is at the minute. But that might not be the issue, though. I need to confirm it first. A UC532... 3D. I've got glare on my bloody light as well. UC53, is it 30? That's not a D. Is that 0? Is it? Alright, thank you. But let me see if it is that chip. Let me try and put it together. Oh no, let's not put it together. Let me see if it'll turn on again now. And if it does, I'll put it together, see what happens. Because that's cooled down a bit now. Can I not just rest it on there? It would be so much easier. Actually, what I'll do is to prevent spikes from spiking through and shorting out, I'm going to fold it in half. There we go. There. That look good there. Cool. What the hell's happened? Oh, you're on my microscope still. Pulse buck module step down voltage regulator. Is that what it is? DC to DC isolation exducer. Don't know what that is. Ow. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's still staying on. Hello, electronics. I guess I'm gonna have to just try and put it together and see what it does. It seems to be staying on all the time. Where's my giant cap? Oh, you're there. Quick flash. What's the board number, part number, Simon / Andy? You little shit. That. Oh, there you go. Hang on, let me disconnect it so you guys can see it. There you go. Or if you're interested. It's a PC 346.0 DLP PWS. Sim2 multimedia. 60.0172.500. Cool, that'll do. And let me put it back together just to see what it does. You never know, might have fixed it. Doubt it. Got him! Little shit. There you go, he's gone. Little sheet. Alright, now I'm missing one of those boys. Oh, there it is. They're back today. What's the... Oh yeah, I said that already. No, I killed him. I think he flew away, but I think I got him. It's not sitting flat like it did before. And you got these plastic screws, which is very weird, if you ask me. Who's ever seen a plastic screw before? Okay. Oh my god, where is it? There. And then I think no. Plastic screws, car number plates, exactly. Oops, wrong way. Okay. Plug that in there. It's probably going to stop working now. So that's all put together. Oops. Right, so we've got this little one here that goes into there, like that, and you've got this multicolored one that goes into there, like that, and then it goes down. This one, move those caps across a bit, goes into there, and this one to there, and then you've got the live and neutral to there. Okay, so that's it, enough to test it again. See if we get the green light, which is down here now. You can see it there. Hello, Dan. Oh, why are you green, Dan? Blows it kisses to work. What? At least move board around while on, or tap areas with plastic spudger See if it goes off. Yeah. Oh, we'll do. Here we go. Is it going to light up? 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes, it does. Straight away. See a fan twitching. Right, now if I press the power button. Let's give it a second. It should start up. There we go. Spinning. And then it turns off again. It's still not right because it's still flashing. Everything's flashing. So it's trying to, but it's not. You were gifted, Dan. Yes, you were. Alright, let's try and push down on some chips. Which I can't really get to at this point. Well, that fan's permanently spinning. Nah, it's still not acting right. Right, we're back. Oh dear. It did go bang. Something sparked and then it just shut off. It tripped my whole house again. Ugh. Don't know if I'm getting voltage now. I have turned it on again since before starting the stream. Let's see if we're probably blown a switch again. I mean a fuse. Right, we're in DC mode, AC mode. Can't see it there. I think you can just about see it. No. So I've probably blown the fuse again inside here. Yep, we're getting 240 volts there. But not in the machine. I don't understand why it went bang. Sometimes you have to have other boards plugged in order to get voltage and outputs past blah 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 blah, blah like this. Yeah, that is all of it plugged in, Garrett. That's all of it plugged in, buddy. I think I've probably blown the fuse again in here. Let's have a look. How? I don't know how it sparked. It sparked somewhere here. I think maybe my hot air gun. Ah, yeah, you can see it's got a bit of a singe mark there. I must have slightly tapped that heatsink here and it somehow shorted it out. Too much ground? I don't know. Ugh. Let's see if I can get into this fuse area again. If so, I'm going to have to quickly order another fuse again. Right, what's this fuse saying? If I could get it out. So this is a T3 15 amp fuse. No, your issue's on other boards, not the power supply. But I think not. Garrett. Stop rolling. Yeah, fuse is blown. Well, I'm out of fuses now. 15 amp fuse. A normal fuse won't fit in there though, will it? Let's have a look. Not a normal fuse, but you know what I mean. Because I've had this all working before, Garrett, that's the thing. Well, not all working, it was all powering up beautifully and everything while I heated it up. And what's these then? I know these are glass fuses. Is it safe to use glass, or would it just explode the glass? These are... Oh no, it's not the same. It just says T4AL at 250 volts. Don't know what T4 means. AL. I swear I had other fuses. I guess I haven't. Oh, that's only 5 amps. That's not good enough. Plus, that looks way too big. 4 amp. Ah, that's kind of proof. It just blew the fuse when you had another board plugged in. No, that was when I was heating it up and I accidentally hit the corner of my, like, the corner of this touched the heatsink there. So I was warming it up and I accidentally touched it, and that's what sparked and then blew the fuse. Why it would only do it when it's on a heatsink, I don't know. But that's 2 of these that's blown now. T3 T3.15 amp. I'm gonna have to get another one. Oh man, this one's a bloody annoying. I don't think I could do this one. Oh, okay, didn't catch it. No, that's cool. You could probably. Can you see a slight burn mark in the corner there? That's why I touched it. Make a fuse from proper calibrated wire. Are you mad? Is it a 3.15 amp fuse? Oh, I thought it was a 15 amp fuse. Alright. Oh, well, that's probably going to have to be for me for today then. I'm going to have to try do this another time. I can't do any more repairs till tomorrow. Tomorrow I've got... hopefully I'll get more stuff today from AliExpress. I've got these, requires a new battery, which he's provided, and also one of the ear cups keep cutting out, so he thinks there's a loose wire in there. Thanks, Carthor. Oh, I was kind of hoping the caps would have solved this, but it obviously still hadn't. Ugh. Is it done? Had to go fix the turbine. No, it's not. No, I just blew another fuse in it. That's the second fuse, because these have 2 built in. Well, a spare one already, and now I've blown both of them. The first one I blew before, and now this one's blown. Kind of a good thing that it blows. No, Andy made a boo-boo. Only tap this, man. Just a little tap on this shield. Yep, I guess that's it for me today. I've got to go get the car MOT'd in less than an hour's time. Was that what? Apparently so, yeah, short motions. Like, you can see where it sparked. It's gone black there in the corner where I tapped it, and that's what caused the blackout. It literally cut the whole electrics out, blew a fuse. Yeah. It's weird though. Like, how? My hot air station still works, I think. Yeah, that still works. But it's probably just popped a fuse again. Everyone over to Aaron. Aaron! Chat fix. Yeah. C, capital F, 2 T's. No worries. I will be streaming again tomorrow. Again, but I'm going to have to order a fuse for this now. And then I'll try and continue it. But I don't think I can. Stupid intermittent heat fault, which is so weird. Yeah, no worries. Hopefully my car passes MOT. Thank you very much, Short Motions. Yeah, thanks for my soldering experiments. Thanks, Undergrow. Joe, shut up, Joe. Dan, no clue who that is. Yeah, you will. He's a nice lad. Very nice lad. Oh no, I can't even end the stream. Yes, I can. My remote was off. It's off now. Alright, thank you guys. Right, see, I'm going to go now in 3, 2, 1. Laters.